I bought these, what I can tell are light duty forks to attach to the bucket of my Kubota, and it just kind of slide on there like that, and then you got this, tighten it up. Kind of better with two hands, so you can make sure that it's all the way in there. But then, I guess to keep them straight, you have this little adjusting sliding bar here. Slips over. Loosen that up a little bit. Yeah, these are the cheapest ones on Amazon, like $99. But you know, I just want it for mainly I'm gonna be doing lots of work with fencing, and I'm gonna be using cedar. I'm gonna cut cedar trees and use some of those as fence posts. So yeah, I need to be able to scoop them up and move them. We'll see how it works. One thing about it is I think the forks are a little too fat for being able to kind of like scoop things up, you know, like with a regular forklift. So you got to kind of, they went under a little bit, but you're gonna have to get off the tractor and come out here and roll them on there a little bit. But you know, that's when you're wanting to move 8-foot logs and you got a 5-foot bucket, you know. Looks like it's gonna work okay for scooping up old dead brush. I've been moving logs with it during the day, and it's doing great so far. It really makes everything easier for me. As long as they don't break, give out on me. I guess you just have to be gentle with them, because they're the $99 forks on Amazon. I'm gonna put a link to them in the description if you want to try them out.